Hey everybody, I'm here today to tell you how to order a drink at a bar. If you want to order a drink at a bar, it's actually a really simple process, and I'll be outlining exactly what you can do to be successful at it. Let's get right to it. Firstly, when you approach the bar, you want to make sure that you get a good position at the edge of the bar. If there's a lot of people, then you want to make sure that you at least get an arm in there. So there might not be enough room for you to sort of get your whole body in there like this, but you want to at least get an elbow or an arm in there. Now, when you're in that position, whether it's jam-packed or not, you want to get the bartender's attention. Now, what you don't want to do is say, hey, over here. Hey, check me out over here. That's not a good idea. That's not very respectful to the bartender. What you want to do is make eye contact with them. So look at the bartender, not in a creepy way, but look at them and wait for them to make eye contact with you. When they make eye contact with you, they will likely acknowledge you, and it's only a short matter of time before they make their way to you. They might have to serve other people first, but it's only a matter of time before they make their way to you to get you your drink. When they finally get to you, whether it's in 5 seconds or 2 minutes, you want to be ready, both with your money, whether you're paying by cash or credit card or anything. You want to make sure that you have your money ready to go, and you want to make sure that you have your drink order ready to go. So what you don't want to do is say, I think I'm gonna get, I'm not exactly sure. No. Know exactly what you want. If you want, for instance, a gin and 7, then you're going to say, hi, can I please have a gin and 7? And if there's anything specific that you'd like about it, whether you want it neat or any specific way that you would like your drink to be made, let the bartender know at that moment as well. Because once you've said your order to them, they're going to go and prepare your order. And you don't want to have to make them change it and everything during the process. It's not fun. It's a waste of their time. Be clear and concise, decisive and assertive, okay? Now, what you also want to do is you want to make sure that you're ready to go. So you've ordered your drink, you're ready to go. If you have friends that you're getting drinks for as well, you want to combine those orders. You don't want to ask for a gin and 7, and then when they come back, you ask for vodka soda, and then when they come back again, you ask for something else. That's not fun for you. That's not fun for them. You're wasting their time. So keep it simple. When they bring their drink, when they bring your drink order to you, you want to give them the money, okay? So hand them the money, whether you're paying by cash or credit card, and if they served you well, I would recommend leaving a tip, just because if they're going out of their way to make sure that you're happy and satisfied as a customer of the bar, then what you want to do is make sure that you're going out of your way to make sure that they're a little bit extra happy and satisfied at what they're doing and how they're doing their job and so forth. When you get your drink, don't hang out at the bar if it's packed. Don't relax at the bar and take up space if it's jam-packed. Walk away and come back when you're ready for your next drink. It's very simple, okay? If there's no one else at the bar, then by all means, you can stay there. There's no harm. I don't see any harm in that. But if the bar is pretty packed, if there's a lot of people waiting at the bar, then what you need to do is you need to walk away and come back at a later time. Even if the bar is jam-packed and you're thinking, if I just wait here for 5 minutes and drink this, I can order my next drink and not lose my spot. That's rude, that's mean, it's not well-mannered. I would suggest walking away, having your drink, and if you desire another one, then go back and wait in line. Do things the right way. Just remember, you want to be prepared, ready, and respectful, okay? You want to make sure that you're ready to go when the bartender approaches you, and you want to make sure that you're respectful to the bartender. Be as respectful as possible, and they're going to be as respectful back to you as possible. It's literally that simple. In this video, I have told you how to order a drink at a bar from a bartender. It's actually a really simple process. And if you use these tips and these steps, you'll be able to effectively order a drink while being respectful and just having an absolute great time. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.